Hello, Police Best for UK here, and welcome to another Game of Day video. You can probably see that I've got the 6128 Amstrad emulated today. It just makes it easier, even with the 64K games, because the built-in disk drive of the CPC 6128. My emulator is I can't seem to find an option to add a portable disk drive to the 464. I'll have a better look at it, but yeah, we got the game in today. So I've just catalogued the disk contents. The virtual floppy disk is inserted, so let's normally go for the BAS file when you've got doing this sort of thing. Might be able to get the disk allowed in there. There it. So this is a game called Killapede. I've never played this one before. This is by Player Software. Yep, so Player Software was quite a popular software developer back in the day, and yes, so let me just alter this screen size at the bottom here, because there's not much border at the bottom, is there? There we go, that's a bit better in it. So let's start the game. Let's see what we got with this one. So happy Monday. Been an expensive day for me today because I've had to change the two front tyres on my car, but yep, let's start the game. So how do we start the game? I'm pressing fire on the joystick, it's doing nothing. So we have got some speech on the game. Right, okay, so this is obviously a Centipede or Millipede clone. I'm having to use the keyboard here, my joystick doesn't seem to be working. So left, right and space to shoot, and up and down, left, right, up and down, space to shoot. So yeah, quite an accurate Centipede clone. Obviously you need to acquire the rights to use the Centipede name by Atari, so this is probably why they called it Killapede. It is essentially the same game really though. I do apologise if you can hear any tapping, that's for me hammering away at the keyboard. Yeah, it's quite slow. It does go quite slow at times, so it's not the best. I'm pretty sure the Amstrad CPC can probably handle this a bit better than this, to be honest. Probably poorly optimised. I mean, let's face it, the Atari 2600 version of Centipede is faster than this. I know that the graphics aren't quite as polished on that. Actually, the mushrooms are just square blocks. But yeah, this is alright. It's not awful. It's just not. It's a bit slow. Luckily the main sprite, the one you're playing, isn't slow at movement. Oh you fuck. So nice touches of the game was it has got sampled speech on it at the start of the game. But yeah, you can see the way the Millipede or the Killapede, whatever you want to call it, is moving there quite slowly. Yeah, there's a lot going on screen there. Whoa, there's a few additional bonuses on this. You don't normally see them butterflies. It shouldn't be encouraged to kill butterflies, actually. Oh, we've got bonus life there. Nice speech there in the game. So yeah, it would have been a budget title, so you wouldn't have been complaining. Whoa, ghost. You can't shoot the ghost. Never saw a ghost. So yeah, it has got a few subtle differences than the original Centipede game, of course. Its own take on it, sort of thing. You can't colour ghosts, your bullets just go straight through it, which does make sense, because normally ghosts can go through walls and everything, can't they? It's not too bad actually, once you get into it, once you start seeing the new characters and stuff in it, it's pretty good. Yeah, it has got a bit slow down, but yeah, it's not too bad. Like I was saying, this would have been a budget title back in the day, I would have thought. Probably about $2.99 from your local computer software shop. Maybe $3.99. But if you think about it, I suppose $2.99 then is about 20 quid now because of inflation changes. But yeah, that's Killapede on the Amstrad CPC. And yeah, it's running on a 6128, but I'm pretty confident this will easily run on a 464 as well. And yep, I'm going to give that one a nice a 7 out of 10. I would have given it 8 out of 10 if it wasn't for the slowdown. I do like the colourful score at the top as well, with the rotating effect. That's quite neat, isn't it? And the speech. There's quite a lot of speech in the game. I always wondered why they did it like this, when you can't just type it in. And the Amstrad CPC's obviously got a keyboard. And if you can't control the game by joystick as well. Yeah, it makes no sense. I don't think it's going to fit, is it? Oh, poor Lisa. Okay, that will have to do. There we go. So there we go. That's Players Presents Killapede, written by Philip and Andrew Oliver, using Panda's foot. Oh, bloody hell! I didn't realise it was. Is that Philip and Andrew Oliver twins? I actually didn't realise that. I wonder if this is on the ZX Spectrum. I'm going to ask my Gemini assistant. Yeah, I know. We all refrain from AI, but I'm just going to ask it because it can be quite easy. Okay, Google. Was the game Killapede also on the ZX Spectrum? I know it was on the Amstrad CPC.
Killer Queen is a fast-paced...
Yeah, it hasn't understood me right, it never does. Anyway, so thank you for watching. Have a pleasant rest of your evening. Let me know if there's any Amstrad CPC games you would like to see, homebrew or commercial, or even your own written game if you've written one yourself, and I will cover it. So thank you for watching. Bye!